Hello and welcome back to AutoGlide, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we dive into the 2025 Kia Sonet, an SUV that continues to redefine its segment with style, performance, and bold innovation. Starting with the front, the 2025 Kia Sonet commands attention with its signature tiger nose grille. This time, the grille is wider and features a textured chrome finish that gives it a more premium appeal. The sleek LED headlamps seamlessly blend into the grille, accentuating the car's aggressive stance. The new DRLs, resembling a heartbeat pattern, add a unique visual flair, especially noticeable during nighttime drives. Below the grille, a robust bumper with a sporty skid plate completes the Sonet's bold front fascia. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Sonet showcases a well-balanced design. The sharp character lines running along the body highlight its muscular yet turban demeanor. Kia has introduced new 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels that not only look stunning but also enhance road grip and stability. The floating roof design, paired with the chrome accents around the windows, gives the Sonet a modern and youthful edge. The roof rails are not just decorative, they enhance the SUV's sporty vibe and practicality for adventure lovers. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the revised LED taillights that now feature a connected light bar. This light bar stretches across the tailgate, providing a cohesive and upscale feel. The sporty rear bumper houses a faux skid plate, adding to its rugged appeal. The high-mounted stop lamp and integrated spoiler further contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency and visual allure. Not to forget, the 2025 model comes with dual-tone exterior options, allowing customers to personalize their Sonet like never before. Performance-wise, the exterior design isn't just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in aerodynamics, improving the SUV's overall efficiency and on-road stability. The sculpted lines and contoured bodywork are carefully designed to minimize drag, ensuring a smoother ride and improved fuel efficiency. A quick glance at history tells us that the Sonet was launched in 2020 as Kia's compact SUV for a demanding market. In just a few years, it has grown to become a favorite in its class, thanks to its trend-setting designs and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 version only builds on this legacy, offering more innovation and bold styling that resonates with modern-day drivers. Other noteworthy details include a wide array of color options for 2025, including the all-new Aurora Black Pearl and Intense Red. The lighting on the Sonet continues to impress with dynamic turn indicators and an enhanced high beam assist for safer drives. Furthermore, the exterior also includes elements like retractable low RVMs and chrome door handles that elevate its premium feel. And there you have it, a detailed look at the exterior of the 2025 Kia Sonet. From its bold front grille to its sporty rear, this SUV is designed to turn heads while delivering functionality. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Sonet and stay tuned to AutoGlide for more automotive insights and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.